this. I told you. 1/4-inch cuts. I think it looks fine. I hear you sighing. I'm not sighing. You're lucky to have fruit. When I was a child, my mother didn't buy me fruit. I had to pick my stuff out of the trash cans in the street. See, I'll buy you those fancy yellow apples. I could have bought you those nasty green ones with all the bruises. That's right. Well, you're eating them too. That's right. Yeah, you're eating them. Because I bought them with my money. I'm not eating, I'm leaving! Why don't you get a job, huh? Job time!
Don't start, don't start!
I have to hit you with the wooden spoon again!
I told you it's hard to get a job! In this economy!
I'm not driving you around anymore. Eat the apple. Go ahead, eat it, take a bite. I'm not
You tell me how to like apples!
Tell me how to
I don't like apples!
How dare you! How dare you!
Cut! Oh my god! What?